In this video, we are going to learn how much Python you should know if you're preparing for a campus placement or if you're attending the Python interview. Myself, Anirudh Dhanil Chaudhary from CSSTac.org. I completed my graduation from NIT Trichy. I have 7+ years of experience working in the IT industry. I have taken a lot of interviews, so I know like what interview you really expect when you appear for the interview or if you're preparing for a campus placement. At the end of this video, I'm also going to share some of the very important resources that help you to prepare for a campus placement or the interview. So in this video, we are going to learn about like how much Python you should know, what are the important topics that you should cover in your preparation, what kind of data structure question you can expect in the interview. Is it really important to practice coding challenges? So let's watch this video till the end. I categorize all the topics that you should prepare for the campus placement interview into the 4 parts. The first thing is like basic Python. So we'll see like what are the important topics you should consider from the basic Python. So you should know all the basic syntax, then you should know the different data types in the Python. Then there is a list, tuples and set. These are the very important data structures you should know. Then there is a dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but the key value pair, and it is also one of the very important data structures in the Python. Then there is a string. String is nothing but the set of the characters. So to perform operation on the string, there are a lot of methods that Python has already provided. So you should know those methods. Then there is a method definition and function. You should write the method definition of the function to solve the particular problem. And in basic Python, there is also some object-oriented concept you should know. It's like you should be able to write the code for the class, and you should be able to create the object for it. So these are the very basic Python concept you should know. Now, if you really feel like comfortable with the basic Python, then you can move to the some of the advanced concept. So I'm not going to cover all the advanced concept over here. I'm just going to list down some of the very important advanced Python concepts you should know if you're preparing for campus placement or the attending interview. So there is a map, reduce, filter. These are the very 3 important. You can expect the questions on this topic from the interview. In advanced Python, there is like again object-oriented concept. There are a lot of object-oriented concepts like abstraction, then inheritance, then encapsulation. So you should write the Python code for this particular object-oriented features. Then there is a lambda function. This is special kind of functions in the Python. So this is also called as anonymous function. Then there is a list compression. I told you like list is very important data structures in the Python. So list compression is nothing but the advanced technique to create the Python. So these are the advanced topic. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not covering all the topics from the advanced. I'm just telling you about the 4 important topics you should know from the Python, advanced Python. Now, once you feel like you are really good into the Python or any programming language you choose, let's move to the data structures part. So there are different algorithms and the data structures and the algorithm you should able to write the code for it. Just to give you an example, there are different searching algorithms like linear search, binary search. So you should able to write the code for it. Then there is a sorting algorithm. So there are different sorting algorithms like insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, if sort. So you should be able to write the code for this sorting algorithm. And then there is a graph and trees. These are very important data structures. So you should able to write the traversing algorithms for this data structures. And then there is a stack and the queue. This is again very important data structures, and this data structures is going to be very useful for your coding or for solving the coding challenges. So you should able to write the code to implement the stack and the queue in Python or any other programming language, whichever you choose. All these topics like basic Python, advanced Python, data structures in the Python is very important if you are preparing for the service-based company or product-based company. Now, if you're preparing for the product-based company, you also have to prepare a competitive coding. Many of the product-based companies conduct the competitive coding challenge round where you will be given to one a problem and you have to write the code for it. There are like wide range of questions. It's not possible for you to go through all the coding challenges. So but you don't have to worry. I will list down the 35+ coding challenges that has been asked in the product-based companies. Going through these questions will help you to understand like what kind of questions you can expect in the interview. these are the very important topics that you should prepare if you're looking for the campus placement or if you're preparing for the Python interview. Now, as I promised you, I'm going to share some of the very important resources that will help you to prepare for the campus placement and the interview. So here on the CSSTac.org portals, we have listed some of the campus placement and job interview resources that will help you to prepare for the campus placement. I will share the link of these resources in the description. So basically, we already have covered all the programming tutorials, Python, C, C++, and Java. You can just click over here and you can get the list of all the Python programming tutorial. Similarly, you can find a tutorial on C, C++, and Java. Now, once you feel like very comfortable with the programming languages, you can choose the data structure interview coding questions for the practice. So here we have listed all the 53 data structure interview coding questions on the different topics. So you can just go through it. Like I would suggest you to write your own code, and if you are unable to solve it, you can just refer our tutorials. We all know that different companies ask a different kind of questions. So we already have 150 plus company interview experiences shared by the candidate. So you can just click over here to get the list of all the interview experience shared by the candidate. Company name, suppose if you're preparing for the Amazon interview, so you can just type the Amazon here. Just click on get interview questions. Here you will get the link. Just click on it. You will get the list of Amazon interview experience shared by the candidates. So you can go through them. Now there is a competitive coding challenges. Here you will see the 35 competitive coding challenges that has been asked in the different product-based companies like HackerEarth, Adobe, Amazon, Morgan Stanley, Juniper, Bright Money, Proton, Byju's. So these are so you can just go through these all competitive coding challenges. I would suggest you to try to solve it by yourself, and if you don't find the solution or if you really find it difficult, then you can refer our tutorials. And I will share the link of these resources in the description so you can just refer it. This is all about this video. If you have any questions, you can just write in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.